metro oba ase wonya wudede oposi metro wonya biri no mpobosa so be de watase so be to start tetiri gira esu be fro so de make watase ana fe wo a wanu madro no mama da bia ya de ko bo so wo no fe ya de so di petro ya de nko pobodo so oposi metro no in booster ba most of so be to account Mwana mwana bobo na mekacho sebebwa ama ni pati ya dibia sweet mentene fili penchene enti ya dibia duku brano ude menkasa kwa di imposter ba mestano oposi nientro ni mpina bubobi wata semangua kasa ube bama ube yo basi makama bibiaba koye esu utamo ni pacho ntowe upe dudu wetua enwana stone for Dr. Sharp 0246 288496 0246 288496 Yahama ube tuma for Dr. Sharp Metro in booster by master the patch in boost pharmacy no and also just your bimu panya some people kwa bofutro and the drum na etro toa with the brako de utro kodia the matter is aso the teacher the main street no na for between no so the floor na me catch us the people ko na so toa and yes some people ko na fe me patch no pay na me front to the say global joy cam what I said joy cam for Portugal joy cam roofing company limited say wadorman no ba na fe to the say a burning chance papa wo pay the crew tonoswa wo mo kumasi ya Ghana ha wo be timama chance papa na fe wo the crew tonoson no test swapa na joy can possible from to the person the tere wo mo chance ni emu dupa ama fe wo the bot tonoswa e so ne nkan the big man table wo the joy can roofing company limited the patrol wo mo chance wo the bot tonoswa e so ne nkan e big man table and chance ni mu dunti e wi ntimi peritoti afa the patrol for only a year before another say in chance na you don't put on the show no about what I say in what I say it was a quality materials if in Germany and the manufacturer after some people and so to no pay what purchase papa dia and enjoy come roofing company limited Australia and I call or more IBR or more IDT or more staff work no fee or more Amazon and a per hero task they kick away no me patron joy come roofing company limited daba na wanto no purchase ko commercial you are shokuba na pame me patron police station na the team should no udu bonkatanga udu tamale udu wa Aka udu takwate udu sunyane techiman be biobe fempia wopia sem eye joy kem eye toro taratoro heavy wo botuma panya se petoka enye ni kobo 0551 00 9000 0551 00 9000 yahoma wobetuma fe joy kem roofing company limited fe wonen perform that's what to kobo mo ya shubua udo mudi akwa kotokon kasota afa ni pacho bo mi fonto de say betway give way more na rwanda na kupo betu very heavy power betu for bojumo and yes and ketoka me pacho betu say we settle bet ni wia we dey call betu up so na me pacho we call bet na we start the opportunity say we be settle automatic cash out ai me pacho na arrange to be go account no come match double piano no bet no automatic cash out what I say it be a match first back edi second edi third one edi ni na boss eretro kakaka woni ma so boss scan ayesika na bibia so na question to maintain no post what yanka no probably so bet no room and so awa ye bet no for kokota bet no we na 18 years men ko and so na me patcha bamro no e boss we na 18 years bet bet what asenti robo betway everyone will be no sika namu na bibia ko e so to betway give way more o ma do na mo tete ye trust ye den na some student pardon pay ama be pia so to ko enti na pay there na me catch us e blasters e mude e nya some ketoko na blasters jakuno mo botuma pa enti I was say this support no to mo no what I say na fe jonto na you mo o mo to ko botuma no
Yeah.
yes, anti blasters and just wɔmobɛma ɔman ani agye me so bɔkɔ kɔwene na afei nkonimdie so atuma ba Ghana aka na bibia so yɛtuma kɔnkan tuma baruma bepatɔgye nsɛ sɛ na sa daagye nipa so ma yɛntu na afei yɛnku anim ɛma bibia so yɛntumi nkɔ nipa to Rayford mana Brante firi Mohamed Mahmoud Magrabston Wagali tudu na firi Bosala anɔpare me bɛyɛ details of the story no ɛnso de mabusuafo a bohwɛ Sompa wɔ ɛyɛ dikota no so no afei mepatɔbo a muantwa Sompa so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Facebook no so nyasɛm ketɔkɔ mepatɔ redi tini Bosala Rayford fa ɛyɛ ne ato no fa to TV no so ba mmerɛ afei yɛnkɔ anim ɛma bibia so yɛntumi nkɔ mepatɔ Bosala sɛ sɛ wokɔ Instagram a ne followers wɔ ɛwɔ Instagram no sɛ sɛ ɛkɔ so pa nyasɛm ketɔkɔ sɛ sɛ wonim sɛ mepatɔ Mohamed Salah ne followers wɔ Instagram no ɛkɔ so kyɛn ne Liverpool bobo ɛkɔ so kyɛn Manchester United bobo ko no Manchester United for ɛwɔ 64 million followers ɛwɔ Instagram mepatɔ redi tini Bosala sɛ sɛ okram ɛyɛ 65 ɔtasɛ atasɛ nyasɛm ketɔkɔ bibi ekoye ɛso ntama Brante firi Mohamed Mahmoud Magrabston Wagali Musala ɛkɔ 64.5 million followers ɛso ɛwɔ yɛ Instagram no so ana for Manchester United bobo ko no whole Manchester United sɛ sɛ obo kɔ 64.3 sɛ sɛ Liverpool for the parties obo player baako kɔ popular na kyɛ Manchester United bobo ko the shape of a Brante the for Mohamed Mahmoud Magrabston Wagali enter a Brante the pool bɛsi kata so ɔbɛyɛ study the contract no ɛso ntama Liverpool bobo ko no ama the person na tama kɔntɛntɛde kaka efi Liverpool bobo ko no efi ɔbɛso ɛso de ba meekɔ Jurufɔnti bobo ko no mo meekɔ kuyɛ tuma kaka ɛso Jurufɔnti bobo ko no so yɛ wotu Jurufɔnti bobo ko no ɔbɛso yɛ a mepatɔ ba memfɔnti no sɛ bɛpɔ no mekɔnfɛmo dema so already tini Thiago Motta ɔno ɛyɛ manager so tuma Jurufɔnti bobo ko no mpanimfoɔ kɔtɛse a ɔbɛpɔtɛ so already tini Thiago Motta ne mɔde bɔ wɔ fam enti ampɔne na so tuante dwumete no ɛso dɔfi ne sɛm ama already tini Igo Tudor ɔno ɛba na fɔ ba bɛyɛ tuma no in the meantime ɛdɛma Jurufɔnti bobo ko no till the rest of the season na nane atom na sɛ season ne kɔ na yiyɛ na mo so already tini Igo Tudor dwuma ɔbɛbɔ yɛ as interim manager ɛdɛma Jurufɔnti bobo ko no mɔde bɔ tumi sɔ ne dia ɛne mpanimfoɔ pɔtɛsɛm already tini ɛne Igo Tudor bɔ anɔpɔ wɔ yiyɛ ɛso ntama Jurufɔnti bobo ko no na fɛ ne ma so na tuma yɛ pɛ ɛso ntama Jurufɔnti bobo ko no no ɛna mpatɔ no pɛ ba memfɔnti no sɛ already tini Igo Tudor mepatɔ bɔ fa ne fi tɔno to TV no so papa na kɔ control the first year or started the first training as a head coach at the Manchester football corner and to papa na bre papa na put to say the player bibia so beto ko and so papa to front to football corner to do for coach already team Igo Tudor the new coach on the interim at the Manchester football corner the fit on the two team national papa na baba started the first training so to football corner no from the Manchester football corner and in a report on the pay Monseka Patterson already and Cristiano Quintoli on your sporting Toyota and shoot them through for Bobokono, Papa Little Ekan air pass the shooting through for Bobokono, Papa Patterson already to the Cristiano Quintoli, Wababa Tata two from Pedifo, two from Podmo, Akoko for ready to the Togo Botaba, as your son players Bia, woman answer them in Pablo quality, and on Toba Pano for Babastakai, and shoot them through for Bobokono, report on a Pano second, no Patterson already to the community Cristiano Quintoli, Jew from focus nasa wombetuma pamano na for about to the test to feel the same maybe person that to ko aso to to for bobo kono and according to latest report intelligence on pay make up from the corridors of YouTube for bobo kono live for Sompa 93.1 FM and body the paper to say already tina Antonio Conte tonto Salento to the north Antonio Conte on your manager the bobo kono where your former captain the Tuesday where your former manager and some the for bobo kono nanko already tina Antonio Conte kwaretane no baba toso getuma as a manager edema Jurufɔnti bobo kono womutine paso already tina Antonio Conte wapa wobetuma product mu ye womoshe the time tuma baye here ɛso de ba Jurufɔnti bobo kono omutine paso ideal baby botono already tina Antonio Conte and the ideal manager pa obetuma bwan ema bi paso tuma ko edema Jurufɔnti bobo kono to do from the focus na the rest standing of their captain already thing ɛso ne Antonio Conte tonto Salento to the for Antonio Conte the current manager ɛso edema na polo bobo kono tare kaka ɛna no paso ba ye want to so to bobo ye to so na ba me futu do se na me antuma be pato game ba ko to na me antuma tuna anya so ketoka ebe ye toro taratoro nyasam keto me patro Donovan the Tennessee Brazil national team no omo to kwai akọ Buenos Aires awo Argentina former capital women Argentina national team no and they ko bro ni patro the last 2 games that makoso between Argentina and Brazil national team no me patro wey air classical version of international football me patro ni no the Tennessee Brazil for the national games ni Argentina for them promoting action that make the Brazil fashion cream now this time around already the line Andres Messi kutitini yo el Justin la Puga Tomica Tudor Fernando Messi the patron captain Argentina national team papa ni available wakoko plan ni patron already thing and Lautaro Javier Martinez Toro Tudor Lautaro Martinez wakoko plan after some banting ni available after some national team kai and from Argentina national team already to the Paulo Ezekiel Bruno Dybala and people to my pension Montoya Tudor for the Paulo Dybala wakoko plan also ni available bet Mr. Kai and the Argentina national team on the part of Brazil national team already to the name of Tasnova Santo Tunia Mogida Cruzada Martino to the for the name as you know available bet Mr. Kai and the Brazil national team and then Portugal Sabontiam the Rafinha a player was second about Barca Bobokono Yakubu Sabontiam say Rafinha the Pato Messi Anthony Sakai na ya Brazil from Mobet Argentina akoko yini kamera ama ni Portugal Argentina fashion kurumana and then Portugal already thing action na Rafinha still from to permisa or kabo practice just about run part the Brazil for the call oluko kunan asu de tia Argentina national team omo betin pudin ama the player straight back to Brazil for na Argentina for the Portugal after saying that the consistent about on the pitch and off the pitch Brazil for ahead ami Argentina passer sanka mombe wini bibe betu bakoye asu to Brazil for me yasema Abrante for Rafinha was second about pass bobo kono bobo bonten and on the pass to batuka Yakubu Abrante for Rafinha say dudu na kase Balondono competition is between and off Abrante for the moment Mahmoud Makrof Senegal to run for the Barcelona and I'm a patron ready to Rafinha say young for to put so couple Piate so what patron Balondono and now the Sudan what I say on it Balondono Adabacon and I'm a patron say Obetimate Adaba Barca Bobokono so I am Brazil for the bit qualify to the World Cup 2026 no fay me patron Barca Bobokono Ometimate UEFA Champions League Ometimate Spanish La Liga Santander and then Balondono should me personally me patron me to this season we couldn't hear no say yes Balondono and India and me patron bonus no me focus more and we Barca Bobokono so there is some me patron ready to Rafael Diaz Bayoli to do for Rafinha or second about Barca Bobokono Bontain and then paying national Batuta you want to show to me to show me patron Bapa Grace on a run for more from a year Brazil for a public court training class now possibility players in the near tomorrow when we start against Argentina national team more from Tom the team national and the other team national now brought to the free to say to do not to let this away no one day the national Kitoka I brought the territory to a thing and yes a good talk to Mr. Pumping will be a bluff so what I say according to me Portugal from to the Massa already to the junior 24 manager and the Barca national team me Portugal way a squad above the court training class now of parity against Argentina national team and then the team national Roscado to Kodano and Sompa TV Nefe what to enjoy as well would you call the national fay Sompa 3.1 FM no promoter for the Melissa now to message to Pablo Pay, the American Castle, Pablo First from TV, as well YouTube national promoter, as well to subscribe to message to goalkeeper for the Bento, Everton Podimo, already to the Arona Guhani, best at a Fabronte the thing, and Mario Santiago da Costa, as well starting terminal, already to the Marcos Marquinhos Coria starting terminal, Wesley Benjamin number 2, already to the Andrew to the Dart, as well started after Torrento, best at a fifth already to the Gossip Pastayo, Oliveira Fresh Junior, to the Federation Junior, Rafael Diaz Bayoli, to the Rafinha, after Bronte for the Savio di Oliveira Savino starting camera, and after Rodrigo the Crossway, any place in the Portugal starting, the Brazil national team against Argentina. Now the Portugal to Motina, and yes, and to talk already to Romario Salcano, the Portugal former footballer, and the Brazil national team, or Roma Casam, and the Portugal tennis will be the YouTube and for the TV, and so our Brazil of the Chileno, and to a far Bronte the Rodrigo sa Rodrigo pamani busu asam Rodrigo bi busu asa na me antom na se bia ni patro robo World Cup ni a wutini pass team no I was say your ball ediba Bronto for the Neymar no also the center part of the project na me aduma 2026 World Cup no Brazil for job so na fe o makoko World Cup na ni patro ye busu asa se Neymar ebe part of the team say your ball part to Neymar ewo that capability no some obetuma bua ama Brazil for no get to World Cup na and no patro already thing and Rodrigo so en fan to play so come plate sa also Brazil for no extra Neymar and what to course 2022 awo ayakata World Cup no to be to no once Argentina for no kokumo abo bono edibo already thing and line Andres Messi continue yo destined to Poga to make to the for no Messi was it the same thing was Brazil for it to be some patro bono as what to Bronto for the Neymar Tasova Santo to no kida Jose Martino to the for the Neymar no fe and no so that to kwe as what to Brazil was set no and continue process Neymar ba na se place no ko mo e de ba Neymar na se Neymar so ye bi e ga boa certainly na me akuma World Cup no wo metu ba kom e kokoje na for the pressure to kwe e de ba Brazil national team na no yesaba already to Rodrigo also about Tero pay as the about 20 commodity to the cost between already to Rodrigo and for Romario no young couldn't question the so Romario and if you told the gato TV national Sompa 93.1 FM on the Facebook no fe or schedule to quarter hour Sabaka Sompa TV no fe what man enjoy Romario
entendimento você tem 24 anos, você não dessas copas que eu vou dizer, você com certeza não passou por isso. Começava em 70, o Brasil jogou pro Pelé, 94 o Brasil jogou pro Romário, na minha opinião. Em 2002 o Brasil jogou pro Ronaldo. Você tem esse entendimento, se o Neymar tiver ano que vem bem, em todos os sentidos, fisicamente, tecnicamente, de cabeça, você entende que se o Brasil jogar pro Neymar, o Brasil tem chance de conquistar o Hexa?
Sim, com certeza, acho que todo mundo entende isso, né? E a Copa passada foi um grande exemplo pra gente. Claro, tem essa história do Brasil de ter jogado para grandes jogadores, assim, né? O grupo ter se unido, mas a gente acabou vendo nosso maior rival, a Argentina, conquistando um título onde todo mundo se fechava ali e jogava pelo Messi. Então...
Yes, and to where you are pronto for Rodrigo de goals. O se cai into Margelo Mantubo Kono, o bano ponto man Brazil na setimo, Guaba Montan, and then a person about 20 feet no, and a doctor na so ye trust my fe, ye do not trust no so to come. I'm a person get to the coin patro but in front to the say about Brazil for no so ya. Ye to man already to the Neymar. Wa koko ya baba obi, I'm a video no so baba to the papa, I koko twese ka wa just a video no what I say. Almost season video no say be a video no aso baba to me patro one some and aso tagu our Brazil abrotimwa and yes to talk no ya brontia. The for the Neymar Tasova Santo Junior, Mokina Jose Martino, we patro in front to the Mr. Bronto Copai. Lanka also a part of Brazil. National team nation the patro the Trinidad Santo Feno after Kata de Coma already to the junior Peruvasa Bronto for the member with now according to report on the Pameseka Pacha says a name and a show to Matono, Namia Tuma Pachabu Gama, the nation Etota between Santos and a young Vasco da Gama already to the member Beto Sakai and some Beto Santos Mas Adia Mas Santos Bubukono report on the Pameseka Pacha already to the member so try boss of Buffalo, not a new Trakoya or Pasua Stone Santos Bubukono, not for the rubber World Cup in 2026 nothing, Wakoko Yetmano, I show to my person national team and then they are Bronto for the name of Tasova Santo Junior, Mokina Jose Martino, the Fida Suya, and so the pan, they went to my show to my way to the show, then I shoot in Kudaso, me patch to my no pay, and shoot to my way to the show, Woko Gelman to Bobo Kurasuya, my main front to the Mr. Brontia, the fellow, I get manual of both for me, a country, to the left of a country, a player, or second, not about Manchester City, Bobo Kuno, when you send the agent at the Bronto Kobar, Gelman to Bobo Kurasa, Massa Mopa, your central defenders, man, the Metamaya to shoot the more Gelman to Bobo Kuna, I get to a Bronto Fido, Manuel of both for me, a country, or second City, Bobo Kuno, Potuma, and some Manchester City, Bobo Kuno, and when you were for Champions League, I can tell a monk of Brontia, Lieutenant Manuel of both for me, a country, and I Bronto the Sakai, and for more Gelman to Bobo Kuno, Global to put a first debut, those of Bobo and Bon, Rasa Bronto, may age the Kunan, and tomorrow Tate, already think Manuel of both for me, a country, open Kuna, to the person to my year, and shoot the Morgan to Bobo for the next 10 years. And in a report, I don't pay, may say Capatasa Brontia, the Philippine Hussein, or second Bobo Bobo, the real player, you want to put a foot in the passer, the next again 10 years now, or better put one power. And so let the Margalman to Mobo couldn't have brought here. The Trinity was saying, you want to put it for, will be competing for the signature. The pressure to a quay, and the Margalman to Mobo couldn't do a car. I don't know, Panasua Bam, they want to show to Mobo here to the show. The Potoco Bass, a Mobo could show ya. Bass, a Mobo could not purchase a brought here. The Andres Christus, Nakona, Yamra. On the time, Monaco. Sila bra woma tonwe timanya sikana from the room ama be press with my to pass bobo kono report on the second protest van dozen I was second bobo na ko bobo kono omo papa to for road to us come in koza be potwo poso bobo bono for number 2 omo ba be tell them e ko be start brand for the Julius only for to not conte to for the Julius conte the one tomorrow you know contract no and for the pass bobo kono to number 2 na for brand to kono mo to ko pro bia o mo to the pass typically number 2 no obi to mo pa Asum Adabar Gelman to Bobo Kurutunia, Adabar Pass of Bobo Kurutunia Kaka, and then a profit pass of Bobo Kurufu Basuya, as to the Bana Branta, the doing also a Branta for the Jonathan Kawata, or second, Adaman Fakus Bobo Kuro, what is the contract in the Panaya, Bass and put a focal trust in a Branta Tinkoba, or as a free agent, Bass and put a front to me, a money for Bobo Kurushabopa, a Branta the thing, and in Jonathan Kawata Sudapa, not for Branta the Short of the Sakai. Normally for probable couldn't wait. I am not a reporter on a pay. Mistake, you want to shoot to Bobby for me, put a young good TV, so not for young joy. I brought you for the joy. Olivia to the Tantaru. I am former player to my chance of Bobokono, and I asked my Bobokono, Potoko for we move football, but question more player. What's your go to Pam? I brought you for the Olivia Teru. Says our US of the Tumama, just a one point to my palm, maybe pressure to my way. I don't know ready to the Olivia Teru, no one, and then the Potro first, and the question came on. And someone came in the room, nothing, Etmatono, Olivia Jeru, I think they get to TV, I will bob out to the show, or more, Mamma, most of them, when I'm so brought here, do not do the person last year, but one of the best strikers I can't count. What I said, no one, Madison, your sexy power, or national football, and said that you Musa, any Wimpono, won't know where all time top scorer, and the first national team, I know blue, and to send the to the ball, Bastion to way, the queer first for the fast, not for ready to the Olivia Jeru, when the ball, Bastion coming off. Me patronne to TV also yesterday no oba pitch no the center part of the pitch no ball ready king and only there to a passion and to the car and then a penalty by you want to know and to here to so already to the start purchase or planning to the Namia to the start with Mr. And we are now Pontia, the thing also, and Antoine Griezmann, the Conquest Kazu, to the left of Antoine Griezmann, on that part of the team, make the Sakai, and some other first national team to a planning team, what did the pass ideally player, or better be person ready to Antoine Griezmann will fall for, we must set up in the more, I have brought for the Michael Olise Apovi, I was second about Bermond to Bobo Corintina, I brought to West Tatia, all picking enough of no nothing, already to the Antoine Griezmann, I brought to the bomb, that's what the first national team. This season, I brought us 16 goals for both club and country. Nothing. One making 11 assists. And then Bermond to Bobo Kono. And for first national team in Tadia Brontia. The for the Michael Olisa Akovi. The for the show to the bar. And yes, my Bobo Bermond to Bobo Kono. So yeah, Mamma story way. Bermond to Bobo Kono. The work of our Brontia for the Hurricane to the bar. Now I'm already to the percentage company employ. To the for the percent companies this season. I brought to the goals of Papa to Bermond to Bobo Kono. And that's a good to know about Bermond to Bobo Kono. The part of 2 seasons near reported in the Protestant Patterson Hurricane. Episode started returning to England and Mania was already to the Shara. The part of record that does all time to school with Premier League criminal or pursue breaking and ghost now say and the tournament probable could answer the part of the room as a candidate Bermond to Bobo Korea. The part also to me return or bar or better trust now for ghost now what to break already to the Shara record now as for Premier League to Hurricane pursue return now and a Manchester United and for the break. Nanka, Babessa Kai, and the Manchester United, Bobo Kuna, Bronco for the Justin Cole, a player, or second man, Bobo Kuna, so Manchester United, put it from the moment it up, Bronco, so bar, and you know, make my question, Manchester United, Bobo Kuna, 20 Kaka, if you Manchester United, Bobo Kuna, if you Basho here, I shouldn't buy, you want to know, as you come over here to the show, no mommy, a Bronco for Mami Yamal, a Bama Masloy, to the left of Mami Yamal, where you put a second man, pass, Bobo Kuna, no one give a little bit between Spain and say Napoleon's national team must have master guitar already told of him from the bat and Babontain and the concern the play concern a bunch of family master. akwano kwa we teta do ana mpono ni figure no kwani se ko play otimi tu obi ana short ko no mbo what say entini so Holland for the timi teta ni abonto fe na me yama ana abonto no ekoche mo sa boko editi a Netherlands national team no ana fe ni protocol me se penalty no bom ni nyina mo school for the team advance wo betimo rem ata so boko banim ata so bi piaso ko ye edim ama school national team no ani na abonto no so bom to ko Instagram ana say oh so you too short to come asemo ana fe ni empono say me figure no me nshada ni obi a ase ye feed me ye kwa masa board me mbo ma seven tabonto no aso she good wo twini kan ko fam say ye feed me ya wo twini me good asem me tabonto a the thing aso la me ya ma wo ye me ma wo ye tro ready to the phone from the bat wo pitch so atasem me no pay want to aso to ba wo to ba dire so nya kaka no pay and so neba ye want to so to ba so for ready to the penny makati aso aye former player and ama aso pero to ba ko se kanali wono na manager edima Kenya national team no and was wo Kenya yes team the Tosca and say go mahia obi na wo spray obi na wo na Kenya mania wo mo personal players ba be say Kenya national team say me say me show say we play no mba me money me say kan from Kenya national team mo wo mo mpa no and me patro de telefon me mo bo ama be pia so to kon kan toni kaka and no pay so ba no Manchester wo to the pay and so no already to the Benny McCarthy statement no and I'm there auto a YouTube video live on Sompa 93.1 FM setting the pay for others to follow the four as what matters what the apostle mama for when to the share yanko TV so Nigeria Premier League no na shooting stars I mean Niger Tornadoes and I would be and Nigeria Premier League no and to bo me when you after the game and I'm a shooting stars we will goalkeepers trainer Niger Tornadoes official bakoba abo bona so de collapse no o say say yentimi amodi a o say yentimi bo what asenti ani dey to team de so no enti goalkeeper trainer and doubt in kajana wo collapse no wey blow bakope na mi so bro mi nyasem to tokra woni weteka blow what asenti nyasem to tokra no and dey to team de so no abeda for your state ye baba trust no for team to komo and dey ni na ego blasters out say nyasem to tokra life for Sompa 3.1 FM me poto be fon to be say express group o person to kwan e kwa broche koto na fe wusua de na ni admission so wa broche na ko school dia e express group super fantastic original express group na so to ko juma mo bo wa santro mo ne Ghana ha no so obi ase express o person kwa broche express o person ko to broche na wusua de express me poto person na scholarship do kwa broche ko sua de ni na express group e ruate na ko promo fantastic ko be heavy wo bo juma panty bo na ko to some dia fokodan express group na me say we ya suba ni dia kwa kotokon kashopa omo the pioneer some to talk report omo chakwan e wo kuma se wo asafule barona batudu wo bo express wo say bo the ball pay no na fe ni pato de tele so mo ko kodi juma ayi to so no person che na fe wo tell here party promoter say no beto program e wo express group e ben Canada US afi Australia New Zealand tell me be person ko ben holidays and a person ko dia express group pato wo tracker you will connection first night and you come 0249 000448 0249 000448 hama ubetimi na fe express group na fe one emotion networking come Canton and Mountain drinking water e super and now some talk and super na e say and so ana me patron ma e saw ya de me patron no so ema e so saw ya de nipa bia na de bia ko no bia no I was say to me saw ya de na e so we e saw ya de yare bebe na so de Philip Jordan wa we matin nipa bia ne yematin bia anopa bia na ne buafo ubusa na sebo so kontokwa bomoto so so betuma Canton and Mountain drinking water na bi no nom da bo na me say e so we bo ama me pato yem so tuma da afa wonti ne so ntumi na tuma Canton and Mountain drinking water me pato no mpia wonti mu bia tawo moto ne so betuma fo bi bia betuma kwe e so tuma nya sageto ba wo fo me pato nya Canton and Mountain drinking water no mpi na ebo bo na fe a reduce acidic content ni wo boto no na fe akala ni so tuma juma na fa kono so tuma tono na sam so wo pandiblo to a ubogrom awo Braman UTC na wenya to na fe wetuma tuma kwa koton anase Tafuni road abawo Johnson bo yecha kwan me pato pandiblo to ni periferi ko 0241 44 my 1 0241 44 by one Yahoma, Ubetuma for Canton and Magic Drink Water for them 34, also Eternal Como. Yes, Prince Atase, what should express any Kiki Prince want to say, we never call. Yadinamiase. As to bro, what to say? Okay, Apostle Mokwaba. Yadi wa hawo ma be kan ho say ibusa kwaso yes Prince and Adaje ni poso
yenku am straight away yen nyina hu say over the weekend no I say UEFA Nations League games ni bebreba so I'm talking about the international games na course no and meka dia ba be rua club football kakra because there are some players and we all know say yeah clubs Chelsea, Madrid, Arsenal, we really need to delve deep into it. No more issues but before that no yes same free France latest so the last time France ebo first game against Croatia me betina fiase akan say papa friend Didier Deschamps he made a mistake with the kind of starting lineup or the two because now that lineup no this share game na no there is no understanding between the midfield and also understanding between the attackers no because in the first game it was Abrante friend Adrian Rabiot together with Matteo Guendouzi being shanked by Abrante friend Aurelien Tchouameni. And this is a midfielder. I told you, Oko Abrante friend Guendouzi in a club side or players or that kind of dirty work. Omoye the tacklers for him because Sunya and Nicolo Rovella, one of the best number 6 Italian Serie A now producing, and even right now, Oko Italian national team anymore or no, and they mainstay number 6 right now. Though there's Sandro Tonali, but they play him as the number 6 and release a branch friend Sandro Tonali. So no box to box Nejuma. But meanwhile, we have seen Sandro Tonali say on it Bruno Guimaraes, Newcastle. No momia the mainstay number 6 na Bruno Guimaraes a box to box work no but oko Italy national team anymore because of Nicolo Rovella right now he's being used as the box to box player telling you the kind of quality Rovella showcase Italian Serie A and enye kra say season ebe end no they are going to be big teams on Chelsea after Abrante friend Nicolo Rovella so clearly you see say when Guendouzi is playing on the club side now amana pick that kind of form enunti and my papa friend Didier Deschamps eto ne safre no there are players there moye that kind of work in the man if Nicolo Rovella kra ni honoma there's a certain Matthias Vecino. And this is also a player, and also that kind of robust players need be or a very aggressive and that kind of mentality, no, into was someone doing that job for him. Oko Abrante so a friend Adrian Rabiot, Ismail Benacer is there, Geoffrey Kondobia is there at Marseille. Moya that kind of dirty work in the man. Even Pierre-Emile Højbjerg, Yehuno Tottenham Hotspur. We know say on no mainly in the game is centered around destroying opponent's attack. Into a more say man. It doesn't give much of a job to Abrante, your friend Rabiot and Guendouzi. They're always having people on the dirty ways, they are more ni bedu or monsema or mumma transitable. But even with the transition, are they that good at it? Are they part of the top players? I say when we are proper transitors of the game, right now we know say okay proper transitors of the game you talk about Obi to say Pedri, Obi to say Jude Bellingham, Obi to say Federico Valverde when he's playing in the midfield. Can Guendouzi and Rabiot match up to that standard now in football now? Mean can the same and from though they are very much on form. Until now from one partnership in the midfield now it was lacking in attack. I said the same thing. Make I say individually they are having players or more very good form. They are having the numbers backing them. And to say a France team now because wait there team be omini kushie be omoko akwhye but the telepathy wouldn't be working because those individual players ni nyina omoko move various club side ya ball game ne dem omo Kylian Mbappe the same thing. He wouldn't be working for BTC Vinicius Junior and Rodrigo. Vanda Kolomwani, he wouldn't be working for Consensa and Asa Kana Yeldos more. He wouldn't be doing that. For BTC the other one, Ousmane Dembele. He wouldn't be working for Kivicha and Asa Bradley Bakola. They would rather be working for him. Into a more 3 attackers. I said it emphatically here. Said they wouldn't be able to click unless Papa friend Didier Deschamps decides to use the attackers says no or more. To be our numbers, but out of the 6, no, were 3 individual men can say individually centered. But the other 3 players they think about their team more, which is Michael Olise. And one release in the game, double numbers of goals. Wasanya double numbers of assists. The same thing applies to Bradley Bakola. Any desire do emo. Or more numbers are constituted the goals and assists. Ultimun say at par. A bit Norson CB. Said they offer Dembele bema 30 goals. No amount just 6 assists. Offer Kylian Mbappe 31 goals. No amount 4 assists. It tells you so Omono they are mainly centered with scoring goals, but they don't think about the team that much more. Omoni ye demand the bromo enti na more nya that kind of telepathy enti me can say no it was evidence in the game. And the second game omubo against Croatia, when Papa friend did the sham decided so best son inside no you real game why na more Abrante FM Michael Elise Abaso. This is a team Yawo Bradley Bakola very much on form Paris Saint-Germain. Yawo Kylian Mbappe, the main man right now, even though the presence of Jude Bellingham and Vinicius is there, but yet he's the main man for Madrid this particular season. Ousmane Dembele, the main man for PSG. But on team near ball game everyone was talking about Abrante, your friend Michael Elise. Why? Because he's someone he is creative, he thinks about the team. How are we going to work about around the opponent and enable? Are we going to create chance? When is the time I see a creative chance, no? And he knows when to decide. That is the only difference. I want Kylian Mbappe montem. It is already this list now. That's not the three big kind, which is Dembele, Mbappe, and then Kolumwani. No, they are mainly self-centered. But the three others, no, sorry, when he came into the game, you could clearly feel say he was playing as a team player, not as a player or J-Bonus or person find BB for him his own self. On the match, so that was the only thing a working war for Papa friend did the champ. And I think this is a man he should have known much better than the Oye in the first game. Since 2012 he has taken over the France national team, and he has been there for so long to the extent all these players need and home. It coming into the national team, no, I was expecting Obehu emfa. But he had to experiment them in the first leg and second leg and looking at France national team, frankly speaking, if they get that kind of right balance, they are a threat. But most of the times it has always been, I don't want to belittle Papa friend did the champion because this is a coach who has won the Euros and then the World Cup for this team. So clearly you could see the French national team, no, clearly. But then most of the times, I may particularly me feel say individual players now France national team no bailing out too much. Me person me Musa this big question. France national team, are they possessive oriented based team? Defensive oriented? Are they a counter attacking team? And I said what kind of philosophy? And I'll bet me relate to Edema France. Over Spain says here, bet me I said the national team were most dominant we are say or not right now. Or you associated with a particular philosophy. Oh, they make no. But over France, France asem. It seems more of a sort like I say always the individual players, no, they will come to the party because they have talent plenty. If you go to defense, they are having midfield, they are having in attack, plenty. And most of the times, I feel say Didier Deschamps, Nejumano, it is very difficult to manage such high profile players. Okay. It's man management but on the field, I feel say. Tactically, I don't see it very well with Didier Deschamps. And I feel say it's about time. So few one man will be for Fraba because he has spent so much time since 2012 there. He has spent so much time in the national team. Now something little in Portugal. Now men trying to say be a meet me room in other stories. Portugal honor no penny. I'm offer Cristiano Ronaldo video into so. The disrespect is too much.
Oh, all right.
Frankly speaking. The disrespect with Ronaldo is too much. You see, this is a legendary player. Sometimes I know me who say, "Oh, I didn't know a home player. Oh, she don't who is some fast war. A qua, and I won't say, hey, say I didn't win Lucy. Look, let's be realistic to ourselves. Over 20 years now, Portugal has been carried by this man, Cristiano Ronaldo. They've been carried single-handedly. He qualifies them to the World Cup. He qualifies them to the Euros every single time. The player with the most number of goals in national team, Ronaldo. The player with the most number of goals in club side, Ronaldo. So single-handedly, he has been carrying them. But this is the timer. Ronaldo abba form. And Kasa team no so carrying the nation carries him. But Akwa say even on one Katani own. The interview or more and then have before the game. Frankly speaking, so the interview now. a general say be an community we no matter whom should I even use now as an example ebi did I you say did I you quite they see what film but main five be a senior player be say be a Jordan and a party a team no akwa party now ko to question am na say or cancel anymore say o money ba form until who want to say like what kind of disrespect is that? This is Ronaldo that we are talking about. And Ronaldo answer them and bebre any anje ho. They were saying as arrogant the kind of response or them no because a genuine question will be but I feel say it is too much disrespect. They should stop that. It's about time or more talent Bruno Fernandes or fall more these players they should carry him because we are carrying him all these years. Okay, so for me I think it's too much disrespect. Yeah, time in other stories Benjamin had much now. You better try see better delve deep into those issues. But that's it pa I know I Prince Boateng Buantino and I attend Kano Philippe ba na waba betwaso dem ntina make catch us in that time heba Mr. Ronaldo return when your time heba Mr. na ebebo na menetime de fi asem what you say malaria say o person to ase no when your time heba Mr. no bi ebebo ebe malaria mo wana so tuma dwane e de fi ni padwane mu waposo be yo den na fe untumi ni de ni nyina ebefo na fe wetima tibia di kama ama bibia so etuma ko de ntina no powotumi ka nya time heba Mr. no bi na bibobi ana fe ba men fon to de busam unya time heba Mr. na me so ba ye frefo na de nse yi wunu hano ana ma me kwakwa fu ma me kwafu efe ho bai ye se brafie ne no ntoaso ne nkasa da de ne na na ware a o se me ma ase wunye ntoaso ma nya time heba Mr. nya bi no immune system booster ebua ma nkoma no ye danger de bi be dwane de fi ni padwane mo de atanse enso e de be ba eno ye time heba Mr. o panu do to mo be bi to no bia no wo se be to account de no ene director eni nkomo o panu do to 0244417669 yahoma obetunu after time heba Mr. Penny na fe woni na din kobo kama ama bibia na tobako so ede ma ye Jabura Bank so oba awase wotumi ba wo ye adwuma wo any recognized institution bia na me patcho wo ho kwa so betumi nya bosia enso na wo Jabura Bank no eye oba pa loan scheme eno na mo introduce wo ema no se so mo jebosia na fe wo mo de atawu kreti wo sikasemu ma ukru wotime jawo peme na fe sikaso teme flo ewo bo shoni mtiko na fe ko jebosia no na bibia enkoyi enso enfama ana fe wo perfect deposit asebni ho a eye Jabura Bank ho na beko ye fe na ahotoso perfect deposit no wo je kra wo set me jawo sa di loan esa de pieso kama bibia koyi enso ede ma me pacho wo ye bodwabodwa na o pese wo dwuma no mutra fa wo ko dan Jabura Bank na me say ono no so ubi account say no ma boso na fe wo de atre wo dwuma no mu na ni jesu etema befie Jabura for de me jemudi me temo so ma so me so be huri enya sanketo kwa rom na wo ejoso bonyere afa Jabin etematim ejoso ne Roman Hill mazi sipetim pom fomoso na fa de smo be bia no obi ase Jabin de Jabin bobo ni omuni nkobo 0271409340 ahoma obetuma fa Jabin Rural Bank Philip asantana Ghana ma yetiu
Spain able against the Netherlands and or Valencia. It was a game and attentions was super because the first leg in the Netherlands, that is the keep in Feyenoord, game ne ended 4-4. Game ne ended 2-2. Okay. So Spain would have to go into this game, say they would have to qualify at all costs. The Netherlands were also putting in much efforts, said they would break Spain's dominance. So in the course of the game, tactically in warrior, two managers now were very smart. Manager for the Netherlands, our friend Ronald Koeman, decided say Spain was sharp wingers, or Lamine Yamal and Nico Williams, and that is the strength of the Spanish national team in attack. Lamine Yamal and Nico Williams. These are two youngsters. They can do the unthinkable when the moment is even not right. Time now you least expect some baby, that is where those boys, will stand up to be counted. So what he did was that what player or a natural number 2 or what player or no defensively inclined and Lucharel Gertruda, the former captain of Feyenoord, and they with RB Leipzig on at right back, so that he will come direct at Nico Williams, because Nico Williams is slicky or a player be a crabona. You don't know what he will do with the ball. And what did no I say or onimchi okrabo na so the ball ne ba onim trepa into when he will be obegina no so that he will about commit a lot of tactical fouls. And one player onim ya pa Lushara Gertruda, he was not a natural number 2, but on no ball right back no to calm player friend Nico Williams. Now at the left back position no, instead of going with the usual Nathan Ake and now say any of the left backs no, or decided to ball Ian Matson, the former Chelsea graduate, academy graduate, because Matson is very good defensively and he attacks more when the team is on the offensive. When the team are on the bike, that is when Ian Matson also attacking more. So Matson was coming direct at Lami Yamal. So Ian Matson at Lami Yamal. Then what he would do is that Ian Matson no ever say cover. And also on it Van Dijk ever bought the left side of the center back row. Ian Matson no be defending more, but attack less. That was the tactics manager for Ronaldo command the core game no more. Now Spain, because of that, into no more realize say we need somebody who bet me real Virgil van Dijk and Jean-Paul Van Eyck from Brighton. I'll bet te obe the attacking spaces, obe attacking those spaces, you know. So in the course of it, Membo Morata, let me go with Mikel Oyarzabal, the boy from Real Sociedad, the boy from the Basque region. Sociedad, Mikel Oyarzabal, and number 9. But a very good sniper. Woman a sniper role now. Onimbopa. In the way the penalty now by now. The way and manner the penalty was created and the kind of attribute. It was anytime a ball piano, he is always right there in the right moments, and the timing was always right for boy and friend Mikel Oyarzabal. That was one strength, tactical strength. Manager friend that is Luis de la Fuente at the core game no more. But the weakness was what brought Daniomo as there only the midfield train and sana one limit. Daniomo is very good when it's being played as a number 8 or a number 10. That is the strength of Daniomo. And now Daniomo position of boy number 1. In the first half now, one of the weaknesses of Spain was Daniomo. On na we had tactical board no so na the violets ink no edane ho no. Daniomo had the weakness in terms of that is percentage in the total 90 minutes. You know the best of Daniomo and Ra because of the kind of role and Luis de la Fuente, the manager for Spain, aboard Daniomo. Now, aside that, one thing was evident in the game. In the course of the 69th minute, a branch of Ferran Torres, Ebeyi Mikel Oyarzabal, because that time, now the Dutch national team, regroupy. And that time, Dutch follow up the game very well. So, Mikel Oyarzabal, no the Ferran Torres by, or per player, Obama, a Dutch defenders, are committing a lot of silly mistakes, especially Jean-Paul Van Eyck, or very good when he's tackling. But sometimes when we frustrates in the case will be pay or be committing silly error. That is Jean-Paul Van Eyck. Into the or their brand friend Ferran Torres by. So that Obama Dutch for are concentrated centrally. Now when leave space, Omobe jam back na ja. Ombe leave spaces at a wide position, at a width. That was what a manager in the year. And again, in the 84th minute, when we said that Daniomo out of steam, no uniform, not that this boy Pedri on the by Pedri ever born a natural position, and that was the strength of the Spanish national team. And another one, Mikel Merino. Mikel Merino for some time, where the last games Arsenal Abua, he's Arsenal's best player. Adia Mikel Merino ni miya pa na say or a midfielder, but he's always in the right place at the right time. In terms of movements, or a very good very good off the ball movements. That is the strength of Mikel Merino. And Mikel Merino subamuno. Now one Spain for no we're thinking say ombe balloon ball no more because I one play there na 9 year juma ni tin so year juma pa. So that oba join Ferran Torres. Into sabone the form one play obenya first touch Ferran Torres. But say a two one for then they will be looking at Mikel Merino. It was tactical analysis, tactical acumen. Now, boa manager from Luis de la Fuente. But the Dutch also had answers. At a point, they needed Xavi Simons. And Xavi Simons bad game, no, just a touch was assisted. And imagine a Dutch for Nabet Yomoka. Yeah. But there is this young man, Dean Hewson. Boy, is building in stature. Only arm, only or a slim, or a very slim. But then, we born a boy and a as our junior then it's him now, Bruno, the age so. He's very young, Dean Hewson. Yeah. That's the boy. Now this a boy, he was born in the Netherlands. No mame and the papa nyina, mame ne papa nyina Dutch for. He has no Spanish background. But they immigrated. He was born in Amsterdam and migrated from Amsterdam. No more Marbella in Spain. So only Marbella is in the Catalonian region. That was where boy and friend Dean Houston no. So Dean Houston about Dutch national team the Dutch juvenile teams. Body under 17, including the under 19 teams. But then Spain for 1 year smart. When a boy movie from Juventus next gen, learning ball to AS Romano, they realize a boy with a lot of future. No call Bournemouth, where be a lot of game time. And one man, this man, Odine Kappa, the coach of Bournemouth, friend Antonio Raula.
Yeah.
I think Antonio Raula, this boy a lot of game time. And for now, One Elia Zabani, I formed solid partnership for Bournemouth. And that is one thing Elboa team, friend, that is Bournemouth, and the Spanish national team. He has a lot of future ahead of him. No wonder Real Madrid are looking at this boy's signature. Now, aside that, one of the highlights of this boy's game, the assist of the Lamine Yamal, or the share that goal in extra time. It was the highlight of this boy, Dean Houston, the game and Ra for the Spanish national team. Now, Germany boy against Italy. Now, Germany in Italy, me game ni Dina yem sere. No craba kupe Germany ni Italy no quality na deep. Now, say Italy team of 2006, when a Marcello Lippi, Echo 2006, now the template in a 4-4-1-1. Now 4-4-1-1 in attack, about 30, just behind Luca Toni. When say a more dear, or two snipers in the game, Vincenzo Iaquinta, and now say Filippo Inzaghi, super people about to tear, and he will pounce on the loose ball with ease. But then Italy needs out those attributes, Now in the middle, Obo players, a player, I said Bakweni Ding, Bakusan that is a very good passer of the ball. Now a flanky or more by no natural wingers, but players are or more attacking a defender at the same time. Okay. Simon Perrotta and Moro Camoranesi. But we are not seeing that in Italy. Now the Italian team na and Rano, Obo Daniel Maldini ni more seeking in attack. What does Daniel Maldini bring to the attacking for? You are playing against Germany. And now Germans know, yes, smart. Playing Jonathan Tah and Antonio Rudiger. These are two well-built and structured centre-backs. In some bully Daniel Maldini. So Moeskino enya boni bebre emmo. And Moeskino was also targeted by Nicolas Klotterbeck. Germans now no muja after leading by 3-0 no. A proper German national team will never leave the door ajar. On one shot, but then we didn't see that attribute from the German national team. Maybe with Willy Sagnon. Oh, where were you? Just a second. Where we are? Willy Sagnon have built a very solid Georgian team. So Nimojadro. Willy Sagnon have built a very solid Georgian team. I think with time, Georgia ever formed into my payfra. Okay. And one highlight was George Mikutatse. Okay, yo. Medasepa. Yes. Uncle Kobina near area Diamano. Well, Mojadro, Nasa Getokra. Diamond Scientific Research and Alternative Medicine Hospital. Hey, Apostle, we are a drawway, Obiani bin coffee, your friend Donek. Heba mesta ewradida kupon eye vitality udum paswa ubesia kotim bobo pompolu pobo sunkum de bibia be koyeso diamao bema me poto udum paswa adeni peja obo se ode ko oba no fefreda baka sakoko e de ababo no obo so da ho no ho chi what does here na afa poto bema so obema no entimi nyina so ejaso obo so wasaka ko asa atitide wo tu itedo wasaka ko me poto bobo de so maka Donek Heba Mesta Numbi what I said about me patch where was sissy ya wardro enemo and of a broma what do you to be fancy pa well more gentlemen here for sunny me patron ababwa about motor net for sunny which were a drama joshua a jumana ye ubos water so Pomodo said Donek Heba Mesta or something to my card they don't be no be na me catch say a girl who be numa and never quit about power kumasia me patch Ferdinand Misty about also chemist Alfred Danny Heba, Edia Pharmacy, Baseline Pharmacy, Adoric Pharmacy, NFA, N&A Heba, Patase, Someone called Kedetia, Habme Pharmacy, Asempa Pharmacy, NFA, Fodro Heba, Onua, Fodro Heba will be quiet, what a so called, or submit to
baka de Sudan me patro Green Line Pharmacy ubemu mo cha kwa mo say eno fe Cap Herbal o so baka du ho ana for Cassie Drug Lane Wakra ana fe eye Repass Herbal ho do no kwa me patro sa enso beto baka do neck na fe wetman to wo de emema lawyer na aba no me patro penudu ato a 0246 72 76 77 0246 72 76 77 ya homa ubetuma fe na fe dime of first wetuma do so wo set maka do neck Herbal Mr. Nelson good to Apostle good morning.
Good morning. Quick one, Mami Prince. So Didier Deschamps is listen. Yes, or you're one of those top. Look, as a player, top player. As a manager, is good, but not a top manager. Look, M. Jacquet. M. Jacquet. At the time France echo 1998 World Cup, David Ginola was better than all the players. You talk about skill, no flair. David Ginola, please.
Yeah.
There was none.
Yeah.
The man came, so we are talking about managing egos.
Yeah.
Which ego is bigger than Turan? Bigger than Vicente Lizarazu? You are talking about
Marcel Desailly.
Including Onwa Deschamps.
Emmanuel Petit.
You understand me?
Yeah.
You are talking about Petit, you are talking about Zidane.
Yeah.
You are talking about Patrick Vieira.
Joker.
So please, brother, he dropped the two best at that time and got these guys and got the job done. This job called coaching, get the job done. Stop too much loyalty, players on my ball, and do baby and for your idea, change them and stop the too much loyalty. That's his problem. He can do it, but the loyalty is becoming too much. And so now, quick. So let me call Africa: Sudan versus Senegal. Yeah. This is a game on any day. You think, say Senegal should have been beating Sudan by 2 or 3 goals 10.
Hey.
Why are you listen, I've had discussion with coach. Look, our personal history. This was a game that the Senegalese, they came up to the party. They came to the party, they played so well. Look, if there was a game marker the Senegal, in this qualified, they'd be flip-flopping, on performance, inconsistent. But this game, listen, Idrissa Gana gave, the transition that Ali Cisse Shasia, Papa Tio, they are doing well. So you have Idrissa Gana Gay playing against Papa Gay. So what this means is that I'm handing over to you. I'm going. You understand me? Yeah. And then Lamine Camara just playing behind Boulaya Dia. It was a beautiful look. You have Sadio Mane dropping left, sometimes come midfield, Ismail Sarr on the right. But Bakit Banis, the left back, and then Ramadan Agan were superb as fullback. So Coach strategy was that on committee, too many players are from knowing very well Senkrofo counter attack was so Said Mohamed, Abraham Kutu, the back four were solid. Abaga Abdallah has been playing national team for 11 years. Wow. He has experience, he's good at DM. Look, Walada and Kedi, the same thing, playing for Hilal several years, national team. So they have experience. The only problem, the lack of activity through competition because of Ntokwana Omokono. So they defended deep. They had few chances. Mozambique Obemu had a chance. I mean, it was not too threatening to Edward Mendy though, but he had a chance. Abukari aside played the left winger, had a chance. Narrowly they lost. But trust me, I respect Sudan with what they've done, how they held their own against Senegal, making sure Sebi chances no, clear cut chances, and they were able to hold them to a draw. Now this group dynamic, this group dynamic, one, Sudan, Airbus South Sudan, DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo, South Sudan, just last week, and then they are playing Mauritania away. Senegal about to go. Now check the danger. See, I know share table now. Sudan were 11 points, DRC was 10, and then so that's the table, and then you have Senegal 9. The danger in one year, Senegal, any Sebiu, Sudan and qualified. If DRC is able to win against Mauritania today, they struggle. Trouble I want to say Senegal and Sudan will go to DRC. Hey. The only problem one say DRC so a last game say your boy we are 3. almost was South Sudan bo.
Yeah.
So say almost team navigate match way as embassy. That's the dynamics in this group. Time in team, I mean, come in. Watching our comment.
More questions will be about time.
Time in watching our comment do a lot more.
Yeah.
Now, me call to as somebody who is a boxing icon.
Yeah.
That's myself. I want to pay tribute to George Foreman. George, the hard hitter Foreman, or one of the renowned heavyweight boxers in the history of heavyweight boxing. In fact, we're the number 1 puncher ever. And the punch, back equivalent to 6 inches block.
Huh?
Yeah, that's how devastating it was. That is why, that is why in the bout in 1973 against the Smoking Joe, he knocked him 6 times in 2 rounds.
Okay.
He was so devastated. You can't stand him. That is the man we are talking about.
George Foreman.
So powerful. Punching power, menacing, intimidating, ferocious, combinative punching. Everything is about this man. The greatest fight, for me, the 2 greatest fight for him, are the fight against the Smoking Joe, which he won, and then the Rumble in the Jungle, which was 1974. On African soil, in Kinshasa, Zaire, Fred Amenia, the negotiator-in-chief and a special advisor to dictator friend Mobutu Sese Seko, the former president of Zaire, Muammar al-Gaddafi, and then Don King about together to put this bout together. This bout, remember, Mekan Desagro, 1974 was the most watched bout in the world at that time. This bout reached over $100 million at that time. 1974. This bout was the greatest thing to happen to Africa. Unfortunately, September 18, on a cut on the right eye, pushy bout to 30th October 1974. Then he lost. At that time, Ali, led by Angeli Dand, one of the greatest boxing trainers, and then Achimo, also the trainer for George Foreman. So George Foreman went into the ring knowing very well that Ali. Don't forget, he went into the ring undefeated. He went into the ring undefeated. At that time, 45-37 knockouts. That was a record for George Foreman going to the ring. Ali was defeated in 1971 after a suspension from Salmon Fanon to draft for the military. 67. He was banned for 3.5 years and suspended. Obabak, he beat Jerry Query and then Oscar Bonavena. But then lost the 1971, the fight of all fights, the fight of the century. Lost that fight. So going to this game bout, George Foreman, the man to beat. Ali started with first round. In fact, Ali used the tactics of George Foreman, aggressive, ferocious, and landing punches. First round. Second round, then introduced what we call the rope-a-dope. Until he will lean on Ahumano Sana, George Foreman Bono Sa, no release 1 or 2 combinative punches. The whole idea was George Foreman bra. Because on himself, on timing and standing to. And boxing is a strategy. At the end of the 8th round, I mean, he was able to get into him, beat him. Hey. But you see, beyond this, Michael Mora, at the age of 45, or Koprichi and back, and he came and beat Michael Mora for the IBF, that was 1994, IBF and WBA linear heavyweight title.
Okay.
After that, then the Smoking Grill, a machine Sebi, a group put together, and don't put it together, the perfect brand, the perfect spectrum brand, and put it together. We didn't see it. So see a chance to see a party. Prince Sebi, see a girl's woman fans pa, and TM fan did too so, and he was able to sell over 100 million of that, 100 million of that, which has given me a lot of money as a promoter of the grill, the George Grill. So beyond that, he's been able to get a brand promoted. Before Obewunu, he made over $300 million from the George Foreman Grill. Olivier behind, a 7 daughters, 5 sons, and then the 5th wife, Joe Metelli. The 5th wife is the one that lived with him from 1985. Now I worry ma for that, or a sofu, or a pastor, a businessman. So all around, if you look at him all around, he's very successful in business everywhere. He's not like the Mike Tysons who wasted money and then are struggling to survive today. So big ups to him. That's a grill no, grill the George Foreman grill no. This almost back over 100 million. Back 100 million pieces.
Hey,
yes, that's why I say Obabe will no over $300 million, please. 81-5, 76 wins, 68 by knockout, and then 5 losses.
Yeah.
We wish
George.
him the best. So now, what it means is that Joe Muhammad Ali is gone. He's also gone.
He's also gone.
Yeah, it's unfortunate, but that is the.
Woman about boxing, boxing.
No, boxing. And then you all understand your boxing, I grow. It's everywhere. I mean, I listen to them talk about players today, and I listen to the kind of players they mention, and they be.
But me apostle me about what talent to boxing was said them
I didn't hear.
Hey,
it's one of the finest sports you should let to buy. I'm telling you.
But what was to say?
Yeah, one of the richest sport boxing.
I know.
And then so it's one of the finest sporter. Beyond that, Uba Sebio, Oba to me, I'm making a great impact in the world. Meeting all kinds of great people. Ebi Obano, need the air boxing, need the basketball, need the ice hockey, need the football. Ebi need the no. What you need to do is get him to a good place. Ebi an amateur, a gymmer, almost good amateur boxing trainer like the Wisdom Gym in Ghana, Accra, where you have the current Black Bombers trainer being the head coach there. So you better grooming you the foundation very well. Then you move him. ABI qualify for Olympics. I go to the Olympics. He comes. Hey, you know, so you're good. If he's ready for professional, why not?
Okay,
you might never know.
Me that say, Apostle ni atene kano. Madaruma mega cash lucky boss. Say where main tier sports akwa, tier sports na udisika. Everywhere me be na sika nemu. Enti you be na say confirm so na dial star 426 star 6 hash. No me asu options ni beba. Osi twa 5 Ghana cedi pe. Ube di sika bebre. 5 Ghana pe sika bebre. Mega cash lucky boss. Everywhere me be na sika nemu. Eti kode ko twabineti na fa dance no so bra what ya say. Wo de bia pe 20 Ghana pe fa to phone so na wo de utwa 5 cedi betuma wini be 5 billion old Ghana cedis and mega cash lucky boss what I say ntia ye lucky ne twa ne di ne bibia so enkoyi emfama ho na mega cash there we heavy power boy to pa na 18 years men ko ho afei sciatica expert awrade yakopon ha me say weekend obi ba be dia dance bi part no sampa me kanfo sciatica expert to the first clinic at the mano na oba ehwa adabraka oversea junction ha and obaji na yarsa na sese de ono aka so ditum sampa ne sisi ene ne to asintra na twetwena na ode poma ekratimi nanto ofi ne sese de ni muatene ene otimi nante kama ya wori nyina akọ osisi ya oto ase enti no etwetwetwe stroke the ball kaye bra 21st clinic omo kona Africa omo be the only sciatica research achas of the ebu amanfo ama bibia so netuma ko bi pato ya de bia eduku bia no wo de 21st clinic na me catch say hey ya de bia be dwane e better lab and of scan services ya boduma pa na fe open machine treatment and of massage me pato 21st clinic omo heavy wo mo boduma pa here overseas junction emo kumasia na bia Sompa FM Sompa TV yabano me pato bo abosanyasi usi ya obosa omuanie omocha kwano enye yira kwan kranti bra na bedi wa the side afei udru Accra me pato yo udru Accra no bo ye cha kwan e wo domo market na afei udru Techiman udru Sudan baby atakwata de baby obia se 21st clinic the only sciatica research me pato de say omi sciatica expert omo boduma pa eni ni nkomo 0540 311 311 Yahuma obetuma for 21st clinic na for no edin komo ama bibia netuma ko so debao afa cloud internet super fantastic original me pacho ye IPVT installation and of ye CCTV cameras installation bra ni install CCTV cameras ni ma and of me pacho ban internet connectivity and of ban Wi-Fi and hotspot deployment ye yeah, and I feel about the digital security laws, yeah, and I feel about the web hosting, so me patrol a cloud internet, it's a quite a top high, a tech corner, so you don't love FM abroad, Sunday team, Chenemo, any come on 0244 601 933 0244 601 933 Yahoma, ubet me after cloud internet, na fe, when you also estimating come na ene adaje nipo so kra anse na meko commercial break no memo Ronaldo romu kakra bi yewia ne ko commercial break na saba beto so na adaje nipo so kra what say eti Ronaldo yes Bronson adjena konya nyasa gutokwa na se we see team time no aso ko se wo Chinese restaurant ni ho pa mi na so wo ye de
latest
bia boko
bia she
yam kwenim
latest yama etefo a etie Sompa 93.1 na afin so ma Sompa TV akwaba emfamra full time so efisem na ye de eba na ene latest na no fiada blasters esi from one kind na ene so omohwe ni mu se omobesi from e Morocco ene 7 p.m. na Madagascar ene Ghana Black Stars World Cup qualify game no eba so na coach Otuado ene nsembebre atudwa edikan yebusa se coach na sisi a utimi ahyenum Ghana yehyenum ache teamwork no say anything.
And to be honest, surely we look and we reflect on our results before, but in our preparation of our opponent, it doesn't really matter because we have to look forward. We could have won 10 games and still we want to win the 11th. And statistics are good, but they don't indicate that you win or lose the next match. And so we have, I think.
Where there or can numbers in watch yeah can teamwork no coach Otuado can send for teamwork yentino.
The most important thing is, I said it before also, it's teamwork. And we have to continue to work for each other. Even if somebody makes a mistake, the other one has to be there to help him out. We have to push each other in a positive way, demanding way, but very, very positive, even if things go wrong. And football is a sport of mistakes, and who does more will lose. And it's very, very important that we have a positive mindset if we make a mistake, because mistakes always happen. But the most important thing is, how do we react as a team? How do we push each other? How do we
teamwork no huntino we say more na we have the cover na chese bibia etimi aye kama ntene Madagascar obetimi ahua papa
na Madagascar game ne baso
yes
ebeye toro what say na we future toro na se ball to se mo boss wo tamanachi. What I say? Go feature toro. At this moment of the time, what they nya but tell me na homra ba. Orlando beto so nyema koso Madagascar pa. Wo mo camp so do bonye si abre no. O de ye ba ye mo details ye ba see.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
If I should be sure you will bag it.
Brother, and not so good.
What time you should have seen about who were here?
Bra, see the time about Misha, it's your chimney with fearful, and not the about the other soul.
Really, you this offering now.
Bra, so because I need the time about Misha Wadansia, we are seeing now a better menka. 87 malaria, what granny time about Misha?
I never go, you know what you want to any deal. What granny time about Misha? A great and your map or bar waffle food, you want up or down for, and up or down when you feel do you, and some of the time about Misha, baby. no hwɛ sɛ wakɔ hospital anaasɛ lab ama wahu sɛ wowɔ akyidie malaria yi bi ansa
ayo sɛ time yɛ TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi ada ne ziba ɛwɔ mu yɛbɛtira wobɛnya bi atɔ ɛwɔ over the counter medicine sellers ɛne herbal shop dodoɔ naa mu FDA agye edwadue nkratoe atom
ɔbɛfrɛ kaka bi wɔ ha no megya tom na awerɛho sɛ bɛwɔ mene sɛ abɔfra ketewa wɔnyɛ 2 years akada baako nti African Spider-Man na bɛyɛ abɔfra ketewa yi mu wɔ n'ani kɔko hia dada bi kɔ soɔ no ti ka me ho ne yɛkɔ ne deɛ wɔm biara expect some African Spider-Man and Baby say what of friend, but preoccuping the who's African guys, what Baby say what of friend, now secret ground, anything. Imbus herbal mixture, and any secret. Now you tell me how to cut off from. And the police me do what dance and say, many names sunshine. Now so a booster immune system, I'm on some nutrient and mental. Between the dick come I'm on the code when you show a cost of your class with the yale, I'm my latitude with your back. And you did never so much. I'm a cratio.
Imbus herbal mixture, I will pharmacy, and I say herbal shops. I pay for any column if you're doing FDA aggregating tattoo at
if you want better future, join the rose, cause I could be the future. Join the rose, cause we want for the culture. Join the rose, cause say you might do for Ghana. Join the rose, the rose.
Yomu, Pequia, we have first one Juma, Anna, Atia Jumokua, and first one was so, and we create Jumum, and the 80 vets, and the ya. So, Anna, one man, fastest and walk, Robusia, and the room, Patamo, Assetable, but star 718 star 50 hash, not the Kaho says, yeah, Ghana grows, Hop Day, Ghana grows, Jumedi, Mastercard Foundation, Miss Springboard Roadshow Foundation, Limehouse, New Blood for the Debro.
Mamenche, time HH herbal Mr. Bina woman, and your what dropa, a your draw, a your say, a manipedian kwamwano enya hwaden, na akwati ayare, and train yare and san wakakoto, fire wardrobe, no abribia, Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebejasono one more and the time HH herbal mixture eja bejaso akra wenyen mfise dumienu animbi wo pinfo ani oba wo makra nfo enso anumi time HH herbal mixture wo benya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture yedro say FDA adwedien kratwe atum
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Wymed. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Okay, you know say your day who buy discussions cause one apostle poem in Sabbath to us. Was a discussion we are ed uchaso ayana. Eti Orlando to us with na Orlando
Toro
Tana Toro
Ghana on say Ghana ye twi soloku ache blaster winiama Ghana for TSC montiesi enti Ghana for said ne ye she Madagascar o Morocco ye wia abonten
e mari nyina so promise no say no be TSC abonten
eni e Toro
na yesu so no ebi ama ne bo ampa no kotaro to yesu mu say tem sa go no we bi da ene de obeda o ene sa go ni si yanko ya ni mu
enti ama no dia ni mu na ma ndi Toro
I saw what to but who the one way when he nice blasters yi na oh
and latest and seven years have shegu 2-0
my favorite
2-0
young
latest you know yes I to Sudan face so you dey fit say no egu ho e dey ama Ghana for 80 Sompa 3.1 and omo hear Sompa TV for and anope entino coach Otuado e dey nsembebre atudwa afa game no and ebusan say coach batch ne there moche charge 5 for say charge ya 5 but they have a long way to go if so on person qualify for World Cup.
I know everybody's excited, everybody was happy about our last win, but we still have a long way to go, and we need everyone to be on their toes. We don't need 98%, we don't 99%, we need 100%. This is like a small final, and if we win this game, then we're really going towards to qualify, but it's going to be very tough. We observed the Madagascar team, and they have done really well, especially in the last game. So they're in good form, and it's going to be a tough game.
And you know, I know head coach at the Blasters of Ghana, Otuado, and I didn't say no to Jano. Now, and I say, you kind of quality there. You will be chain a Madagascar for Nintendo. I did person players and he say, believe in their strength. No more fan bone.
Yeah, you know, the most important thing is to believe in our own strengths, to be confident, and then, like you said, I think it was a good victory for us in a difficult time, and now we have to build up on this. And no matter who we play against, we know that we have the strength to beat everyone. But we know football is not like simple mathematics. You can be better, you can have more chances, but still not win. So we need to be really focused. Nobody should take it easy. Nobody should start thinking already about the World Cup, because we need to take it step by step. It's very important that we stay focused until we've made the job. And now,
and you know, I know coach Otuado and the San Semino Etujano na Okasafa start ne ho. O say born the oba ubetimi win be 10 games, but ura game ni ma and non chance wo say ko win na say ko lose. Yentie coach.
And to be honest, I surely we look and we reflect on our results before, but in our preparation of our opponent, it doesn't really matter, because we have to look forward. We could have won 10 games and still we want to win the 11th. And statistics are good, but they don't indicate that you win or lose the next match. And so we have to really concentrate. We talked about Madagascar already. Today we will train, have some more tactical advices for the players, and I hope that everybody stays focused and concentrate on the strength of Madagascar. They are very good players. They play together as a team.
Yes, and no heads training no, and so na yeah here kwai omo fa so omo final training no. Na baby jet Asamoah when say Ghana your male national team no on the top scorer 51 goals ebeden obi anya ntu ni de ono na edidi ho kakra wawuram o se ba bia duru de eye nyina ase de ho jimte na oni players no akodi nkomo edi kan no Asamoah o se opese enne se Ghana ni bia we ye Blasters your final training no na ekos o se enne se Ghana ni bia he TV a players ni ma omu se omo fight Madagascar for no eno ni Asamoah Gyan tie on Asamoah Gyan tina odi Ghana call World Cup. Yes, Steven Tornado appear na ono so wo camp wo and they oko Blaster committee ni so a on the vice chairman ho na ono so akasa o so obom rantie na baso say omo win each other, but any game ni dey a different ball game together yentie Steven Tornado appear. muhajim tienebe na Anton Semenyo ne ekobiza Semenyo I dey say na mo Madagascar enye Chad game ni bio yentie no.
I think for everyone in the team, we want to bear the World Cup. We know how important it is. The AFCON was just as important for us, and obviously we didn't qualify. So the World Cup is everything. We want to do everything we can to qualify, and it comes from all these games. We need to win the easy games, we need to win the hard games. So we've done that today. Monday we have to do the same. September do the same, and then hopefully qualify. So it is important. And Bournemouth winning the FA Cup, I mean, that will be a dream.
Na Semenyo o kan say World Cup no player bi ani so ade no so obekwa akobo bi ntia na game no mo mfa ni agro no na wan kasa ukọ be 1 year na ntimi she go e ma Ghana na pressure wo so kakra.
It's important. I think obviously we struggled for goals in the last couple of games, but I feel like we've got good goal scorers in the team. We just need to get in the right positions, and we've done that today. So Monday it will be important. Hopefully we can do the same, get as many goals as possible. But yeah, it's a confidence piece.
Yes, omuma me picture no Kudus picture no oni Jerry free Kudus and Ghana for mo hwe ni celebration we and or the beba we there we be see from the Ransford no mama Kudus and Jerry free yes Kudus shegua baby we kwa kwatena no and na woni say Ghana Premier League no and so your representative our Blasters ho yes Kamadini Mamudu yes ono so ejina mu dendende ti Kamadi picture no ho mo yes omo nyina ni abrepa na ye wie na say opponent mo ye Magana for nso hu de mo ye Madagascar team no so omo bompa ye so omo ye de na omo ye de krom beji enti omo hia na omo di nkomo kakra we nye hu bia na omo ye enti eno enso eye de ekoso e Blaster game no away from that na ewura Ghana Premier League ni mu kakra coach Prosper Nate Ogum ene ye say coach 1 point bi akogigi na we no na ehu hia sa no say yes omo ye happy pass at 1 point now omo ko nya o summer test ene young Apostle game.
I've been telling them that in the Ghana Premier League, especially away, you will never value the essence of 1 point until you are at the verge of losing the entire 3 points. So when we went to summer test and we got the point, I think we made them understand that they did well. We went to young Apostles, even though we were very optimistic that we were going to win there, but then we couldn't win. Came back with a point. Today we've won, and if you look at the tie schedule and
now coach Frimpong Manson Endra Obo against Asofok Omubo 1-1 game now it was almost done and has Enya equalizer no say there be Endra performance omu putting up our dance back no mun deserve even a draw our game.
Well, I think we deserve to have won this game. We gave everything. You see, we created a lot of chances, but then in football sometimes you don't. There are things you cannot understand. Because this shouldn't be a game that should have ended in a draw game.
Okay, now let us answer na mekono where who here ma yen clarify side way. Wouldn't send Vision FC. Any nations game videos be started as security wa bonten. Yes, a security center kwa bi koso. Na eno ana kasama for Edman Nations FC. Clement apia Tita wa betchim kakra. O de yentie na answer.
Mo bia to say enye no kwesa. There were no instance Nations FC supporters and Vision FC supporters in fracas bia. There was nothing of that sort. We didn't see sir. The Tukani see and ya hona a year the home team a kasi yentina. But the home team kasi yentina no yani management and your finance here yes chairman on your tonight. Bibia sa so intimission start doing a coso no. And yet my Newtown boys no and guys we are no share Vision FC. Replica GCs and an echo Santocano. Intim Tomcho, the media and the general public. Let us take note, Mr. The PN where you see Senegal supporters, any Vision supporters in Yantoka, into Mr. baby abati say say mu bia no mumungu we want to debunk the story
until little the person Kenya and say bono on say sisi aye de shaba awaiting baby e wo so tena enikwa enti baby entokwan course na nya hompo na nation supporters
ba entokwan e course na Clement jina hobi
asa on the supporters
no jina
on the supporters entokwa bia nkoso sa eye nkofo bi o mehe bo ni bi na misunderstanding kakra normal until we na nya Ghana Premier League na entokwa bia si we vision for na etwa omo ho no ko sana asem no yes
okay nipa da so ni
now Kennedy Boachi ansa o ya gina ni so
also
yes say GFA omo de tabo na bo no omo se ni nsem bia o kafa referees ni a omo division in nation service game na ndra no wankasa ye wo social media ni so into omo charge no ti Kennedy baby a wo bia GFA so omo charge into tia no wako you one
okay me da say GFA no metuma charge no nim krasi a charge okay
let and no on for no Camp New Boys no almost in the Toro no
Toro me da say yes Orlando Blanson ya tenen kano Express Group Express me na make catch say opeso tu kwaya Express Group opeso tu kwan na okwabo cheko sua de okwabo cheko ye djuma nya sika gu botom binia me hu watch o what to say so ba me say there I had a very technical well so microphone ma so I heard them I had to say very nice I had the change so you never call there now as we want to say me watch it
you go so yeah kosuboko
adas this way free my share ban no odion say maba wa dem ranch no bia say express and boy bakuba mo be catch them so express do mu waswe ye udu sika kokoma mi twema ko Dubai fo ni bia waso ye be ye hye no express de mu waswe ye abaya de motum kama mu bibia de na kwam na Express Group obi tum ka for the first time mu ye hwan
okay yeah company ya bama nkofo a ebesi tukwan na ye kanu sa no a ye chemu se dodo na tukwa obi atukwa for different reasons obi azo kwabro chire obi ane dinti oko bisi me ko ye adwuma bisi me ko school bisi me konsra he bisi me ko twa me ho keke ma sa ba
okay
all of those things ye hwe ho adwuma ye obi kura wo ho a plane ticket keke na ato eno ye hu adwuma ye boa ma obi timi enya na ticket kama obi wo ho a wa ye ne niema bi akodum pembezo bi na akyekyere ne so
okay
oza kwantusem no nyina ye fa dodo na ye nkratasem
yeah
do timi hyehye koduru ba bia
na abriwo ne so na no me de ya me kontra USC
nti
edu ba bi na abriwo ne so kwa
ze do ba bi very technical etoda Oshana okase wo kan information e wo internet keka obeka ba ohun kwa abafa so akeka sie
application no practicals no
exactly amana ye adwuma edum pempenso bi a you look at it and you consider never be wo ye kura age is a factor so said you be see put a social background together is a factor ye baka say economic background a factor nti o checking nyina na wan keka sisi ani ya obo so wa ya kudru kwam na yire so enti ye wo ho masa nipaku a e wo sa openo ne omo nam sa kwa no sinyina se ye beboa na ya boa ma oni so ade hunu no abem that is Express Group
okay obi pese obi test me message be say ya me musa mo say opeso wo nya scholarship
yeah
e kwa brochire o pa admission so akwa brochire akwa kosuade a obama so ye na routine it to say
in fact yabaka say your strength kese pa ejina steady abroad so
okay
so you can say steady and work abroad ehona ya hoden kese pa ejina for students dodo na scholarship opportunities and you more umpe low tuition fee institutions and on sometimes obi to me apply school I'll just state this example na teacher or US na when your school ebia yamano school fees yan can say yamano school fees 50,000 okay this in for currency be answer so I'm just saying na yamano scholarship 25,000 on say ohwemu a yamano 50%
yeah
but the akanon so obetu anon so nya de
anodin
And obi nso wɔ hɔ a instead of going in for school a ɛyɛ 50,000 ne ɛbɛma 25,000 scholarship sɛ me bɛfa sɛ mɛtumi ahwehwɛ biribi ama wo a ɛyɛ bɛyɛ 8,000 a scholarship bia nka ho originally on the paper there's no scholarship but ode check here ɛyɛ far lesser than the winya ho scholarship no kura kuduru ye no
wow
so now there are some people chinchie try otisɛ ne yonku bi eco school bi a kwan bia so
school na
no person ɔkɔ na ye ekrum ha de be mfanto ho on se courses bi wɔ hɔ a ye no university A intimi mo university B ade and ye bi nso university B but sika obetua wo university A no ye bi ade obetua university B no 3 times but at the end of the day you get the same certificate the same benefit so enti wa wo kono so wa ho odin enuru university A de no so na se uhunu ho kwan a sebio e baka senga uhunu ho nyansa you will go for university B go and study the same course get the same certificate get the same benefit and pay lesser
adwere ba ko na ne di sua de
sa so enti ngofo bebre your officer amafo bebre obetime about the admission letter bachelor no na say school fees e wo so no wo straight away na kasa wo kra na ya visa officer wo US embassy awan hwe abaga so do ha be denied because so dwen ho kwan obafa so register as candidate so one of the things we do is that when you come yes it no near no then we help you get tuition fee a wofem at least a boost your chances of obtaining a visa.
Okay.
Because school visa no any visa now no it still has an effect.
Oh, okay. And to mutimi share school fees now kwakutua no more dinner visa no.
Oh yes, of course.
Because
take it that we are foreigner. Oh, you're going as an international student.
Yeah.
So we are foreigner. So we free chrome ho. Inti yama school fees bia omu susu se nipa kro wo chrome ho no omo ye oman no ni tua ye omodin.
Okay.
Inti wa free baby ba no and for emphasis nkro na mpempi ya na yekoso no ye beka se omu sikasem ejina yie echen ye die.
Yeah.
Inti wo dwen ho se wo kodu chrome ho a ebe de wa raise sika no e de atua office no. Inti wo dwen ho se na wo kodu an high school no wanko.
Ebia na wo koja to bia koye adwuma.
Sabe kudu ha anhwa.
Na wa burden dia amon no.
Inti se na esa de na o ma kwa ma onkokra.
Oh, okay.
Inti wo na wo kope no it bestows on you say my country my economic no said the city as against corona and person me question.
Okay.
Na my sika even though more show proof as to how you're going to take care of yourself.
Yeah.
But ninyi na chino the visa officer is also looking at something that is more convincing because the other actually a paper.
Yeah.
Reality nankasa should be somewhere
after paper no there is a reality check.
Yes, they have to ensure that paper now was submitted amaye no. Ye kasi ye de toto niema ho a ebesisi so pepepe. So all of those things are things that you have to look at. I thought that nipa kra o de na ekose ono na sponsor amu okusua de no a factor. So people get admission so my uncle na sponsor me. Yes, yet ase room ha yet ase say ye hwe of asefo. So yet say papa papa nuaba because say me papa enu betumi ahwe me but o catch Bruni say me uncle na ehwe me. So yes, uncles we estimate that on also family nti wo hwe wa ahwe adodo say no betumi ahwe wa. Nti even the kind of proof of funds that you use so they sponsor or education abroad or no, it's also something that you also have to check.
Yeah. Your source.
Yes, the source of income.
Okay.
Among food me so me for a company be no term company in statement now the all of those things people make those offenses over bra na ankofa.
Yeah.
No sound be started from afresh. What we do is that your home come, we'll guide you through all of that. We'll give you good and quality information. What dear yeah na etoda oka as oh yes brana chinchin ye nyama. Sometimes one of the things we lose obi kono ye all of those mistakes are no the kotumu wie na deny no sa complicating nyama amane ho.
Yeah.
Because when you go a second time they are going to ask you have you been denied a visa before? You can't lie. Because we can try, that means completely. When you're
really out.
So you say yes. Then they will ask you the reason why you were denied.
Yeah.
So, and you better so we bring quality information in the early stages, put the things right, and get it once.
Wow. Express Group. Also, okay, say me show the. Who can man say me cratana ni nyama na ko now you over the back.
Yeah.
Oh, baba. The way must see mo djuma na dia me hu bi o Ghana hada.
Yeah.
Na necessary opportunity all mom.
Yes, necessary more opportunity. Them say Canada for be care program. Say Canada for be care program be na started 31st March here.
Okay.
Now it is that program no a year for health workers.
Okay.
Especially for nurses, lab technicians, go 4 year hospital because a care programmer or marshal there. In fact, this year Canada is looking forward to admitting about 5,500 people from across the globe.
Hey, say.
If I 5,500 and I'm sure for 2025.
So almost abon kumso. But that is by force.
And all of those people, no, just for now, I'm releasing information in Kakara, but the basic things I'm going say, I was saying Nipa crying here, we SHS, say Nipa Crow health background, even though certificate in healthcare, health assistant, clinical, general nurse, degree nurse, it's a good opportunity for all of those people.
Okay.
Health workers, no, lab technician for no one, a good opportunity for them because who are health background. But the account one say, I was in Nipakro IELTS.
Oh, okay. And then come busa no.
I was in Nipakro IELTS nibi. IELTS na dia friend standard general. IELTS ni mahodo.
Okay.
Maybe some other time we may want to discuss that.
Okay.
And here was standard test, and there general and academic test. Okay, and we on standard general. Models in year 4. Your reading, writing, listening, speaking.
Okay.
Models you shouldn't score less than 4.5 in each of them. And you will be was our test no was our results no. In addition to the certificates that are no either SHS or diploma or whatever. Not why is CV. And I think the CV part is another whole discussion that we should come for. And we say a man go for preparing a good CV to meet the standard of what they are looking for.
Wow. Express Group, but I find it be much akwai.
Mubehuye Kumasi our offices are hold on miensa. Baako Asafo labor roundabout.
Okay.
Bet me reach here and it was 0555
55 00
67.
67.
Obetumi nso enya ye wo Edum Railway Police Station. Kingdom Curtains Abrosainum.
Okay.
0249 000 448. Your airport roundabout also. Your Accra Kaneshi First Light.
Okay.
Your UPSA.
Okay.
Opposite main gate. Takrade Tamale and Akaswa. Express Group.
Mo was here. The company we say no mudili.
Yes.
Yeah, that was a pa. Yes, Express Group there. We are fantastic. We are heavy pa. Adas gino kra kasa. What I say bodumane kasa mamo. Ti na mi aduma se nesu kesa besia. Na wa che sa ni mani nyina. Me da se. Na ko po shraw. Ti Express Group da ya tobo kano. Na mi aduma nesu kesa besia bio. Akwantu be yefo e wo Express Group. Nti would say enkrata samu de china ko Express Group. Okay, then to so ni komo on the blasters and other stories cropping up this morning with the local scene. Minya Prince Buantino. Prince, what to say?
Yeah, let us okay.
Akwano you who has akoma diskawate. Why you say kuabano? Yanku enim.
Me afia me komsi sie, unse fie na enim no barbering shop.
Akwano sika so.
E friend of ata. Of ata na twa me kama sa ni ata me nchi apa radio wa sumo. Now, Mami show says I me Blasters game nim kakra. Na on the local front no. I think the results I'm not surprised at so many of them. The one I cry no disrespect to us folk. But I think the kind of draw mukonya away at BBN dance park no, we should rather congratulate us folk. because Obeke, I am one particular person. I said it here. Say House of Folk losing out their number one goalkeeper, the best goalkeeper in the league right now, their key player, and the games are now ahead of them. No, I even said, Menyesho also meet me Rene, even a single one against Bechem United. I said it, and it happened. House of Folk couldn't stand it. Yehwe Bibiani Gold Stars game, no, House of Folk were able to get a draw. So for me, I think where I'm coming from now, I think it's even a plus for House of Folk to get that, and they should stand on it, because games na akadom the last time I showed you House of Folk in the absence of their main man, which is Benjamin Asare, no, very difficult, but I think they are able to hold their own against Bibiani Gold Stars. But on the other side, and also on the flip side, and I think that Bibiani Gold Stars, they should be doing far more than what they are doing now. Because of one of the teams in Ghana, I will invest a lot pana or try the kind of procedures or the formula. I think that Bibiani Gold Stars is either it's straight away a part of the top 3. That's how I see it.
Okay.
Teams are well organized now. I think Bibiani Gold Stars definitely will be part of the top 3. On the way, so if they really want to do something, these are games you make a statement for yourself.
Okay.
And say that draw by, because House of Folk is House of Folk, and what we weren't expecting of them to do, no, they were able to do it. And Kotoku game there, frankly speaking, I saw say they are a win by their momo. But that kind of insinuations people say a cheaty basake diama Kotokoni adeno. It is true. Like, officiating has always been a problem. Not to say a true CHET, Baseke, Edema Kotoko. But officiating has always been a problem with Ghana Premier League na airborne. Start from the video bima on Fantoso. Kotoko had a clear penalty. Shebon airborne insa. And now monensa. And so I had the second image now. Look at it very well. She Manenko Safo Manenko. Now you see. Or had a ball and a ball Baseke player ninsa. But what attending a and no, all the best for the first scenario. So attending the chinty, he's not aware of what is happening. But also on the other side, this is a chance a Kotoko player ahead at goal. And in the loss, any infringement on a goal scoring opportunity is what? Considered a penalty in the 18-yard box. Okay. And the announcer Becca saying, so Becca se Kotoko sunya penalty. But Omonsi and Jan Formum, there were some decisions that went on in the game. It went against Baseke. But me come from Mobia. The point has been always said, your refereeing officials no in Ghana Premier League no, they are always the problems.
Okay, but do you realize or do you detected any iota of cheats on the part of the referee?
Me wouldn't say a cheat. Me wouldn't say a genuine things now referees no. The constant mistakes they always keep doing no. And one of me who you mentioned wouldn't say you cheaty kotoko dema and I say you cheaty
the reason I may particular about this issue the statement of the Baseke coach.
Yeah, it's an American assassin. Too emphatic, and I think he has been in the system for long to know these things.
And now also
not to say coaching make us say he has been in the
system. That's what I want to know.
Specifically talking about the Premier League.
Oh no, I'm not here.
Okay. No, please, it's important. The system we are talking about, the Ghana Premier League, the match you are referring to, Ghana Premier League. If he's been in the system for long, he's been in the Premier League as a coach for a long time.
Okay, yeah, I get it. Important. Yeah, I think
he's not been in the Premier League for long.
Yeah, okay, the statement should be he has known Ghana football for long.
Okay.
Only a match then.
So inexperience in the Ghana Premier League.
Yeah, inexperience on that part. You are very right. So that's the little on that. Now, Mamenka say me.
1 minute.
Your game never born. You see, we are having some off discussions here in the studio. Game near fan say Ghana share Chad by 5-0 to F4 derby. Let's be realistic. Sometimes we need to face the facts head
Ghana against Madagascar.
Look. Omonfa Sudan this Senegal game then so specifically highlight idea ba ko pe bi nchiro bia.
Okay.
So Sudan Senegal game no so. You see, so for Sudan and Senegal in recent time no be ka say te say Ghana and Madagascar ekoboya because we know say Sudan Senegal in recent tournaments no or my very much on top They are very competitive. But always Sudan, a game on one boy. I'm talking about the main game. Sudan game on one boy. Yeah, they have realized, said they are a smaller team. No disrespect to them, but they will do everything in their own way. So make a result, and that is the mentality of Coach Kwesi Appiah, the team nimo. And that is the mentality the small, so-called smaller teams in Africa. No, Comoros, Sudan, this team, that's how they come about in their games. It's why a league now, I see a group name. No, Madagascar is having a chance to qualify.
Okay.
And they know say Omobo home. If they're able to get a good results against Ghana, it goes a long way to favor them.
But that's it.
Yet Fenny and Fire Chad and win 5-0 no and come at Trimudana. Said they na Yeti Semenyo as no relax it here. No, we know Semenyo is a very good player, but they should focus on getting the results today. After that, and son Omo who say after there, over relax it. This is a very difficult game to be very frank.
But that's it. Philip.
Yeah, we're against national French Madagascar, and those were the times and gone are the days. Worker football in Africa, Umbo Madagascar, even till dates, Omonye household name in football now. But once last time, may point out something. Say one thing ama the face sets of our game asesa and those are ye wo mo abrochire no I so be a beninchi, and there are top people at a point they had chance to play for the top teams in Europe, but they decided say no, my men boa the country of my heritage, the country of my birth. Now Madagascar need Dimbebre Africa, but we're at the table need dynamics of our group where we have Chad, Mali, and what have you now. Madagascar so our chance. Now you're building Madagascar or starting Madagascar projects, you know, or once upon a time a player at Paris Saint-Germain, or boy with Austin JJ Okocha, Mikel Arteta, Mauricio Pochettino, Ronaldinho Gaucho at club Paris Saint-Germain. That was in 01-02 season. I got a friend Eric Rabisandratana. Sienidini Yepa. Eric Rabisandratana. Me sure as apostle do him no. This one of the guys, he's a DM. He was a DM during the days at Paris Saint-Germain. And when the going got tough for Madagascar, and Madagascar ever started a new project, you know, he came to revive the football in Madagascar. The association, the football association in Malagasy, Ejitu Muse, with the kind of experience or what at the European stage, you know, obetumi aboa Madagascar as age na omo so. And then come Madagascar team no more. Omo individually brilliant talents. And there are guys who are playing at the top. There is a player who is playing for Young Boys in Switzerland. Many in himself called Switzerland are the best team. In recent times, it was Basel. But this time, Basel now is a paradigm now shift. This time, it is Young Boys. And constantly, Young Boys are in the Champions League. And now, okay, European experience. Young Boys have seen it like constantly they are in the Champions League. Ahead of Team Friend FC Basel. And this boy, Ryan Ravelosson, he's the most dangerous player currently. Team Friend Madagascar. No. Aside that, Warren Caddy, who plays for Lusan Uchi, who's currently in the Swiss League, you know. I feel nice will be a new biasa. There are clubs who are doing very well in Servette. Basel have a picture them because of the experience Chadran Shakiri are pushing Basel. But there is this boy who plays for Lusan Uchi. Lusan Uchi is one of the clubs I wouldn't even predict you. And now Madagascar will game no more bono after Rabisandratana. The new coach now is Carlos Martins. And Carlos Martins will grab Madagascar team currently. No. One thing or one more and we say they attack looking very, very dangerous and sharp. And omo ball as a unit. Omo a team no enye egos any team no mo. I so obia nyobia everybody gives us all. Obia nya the A gamer they can hurt you when you least expect. Madagascar ebenya believe when prior to the Nations Cup in 2004. Omo to nya victory over a nation Nigeria. Sorry, after beating Egypt, you know, and beating Nigeria 2-0. En route to Nations Cup qualifiers, you know, there is some sort of belief say no, the football in Africa will be a new beer. And currently we're at a trend with which the World Cup qualifiers now. If Senegal were held by Sudan, a chance will be a new beer. Say Sudan, it to me hold the almighty Senegal, of which apostle in details of how things happened there. It tells us it will be a new beer. And interestingly, Eja Ghana you wanna say you bobo no Morocco. The game is being played in Morocco. I want to bobo. We are playing this game in Morocco.
Okay.
And game my boy against Chad, you know. There were positives that made me who here. The positives are that say and I say everybody works for each other. And only positive I mean who here in the game against Chad. If we will go with the same system and the same ideology and mentality, we'll be able to go past this the team from Madagascar. But enye easy sir. Enye fufu.
Okay.
Guy no show number 7 jersey no.
Okay.
Ryan Raveloson. He is the most dangerous player currently. Madagascar team Nukra.
Okay. Apostle.
Yeah, quick one. The development SC war nations division match, it's not something we should say the diagram. Irrespective of the explanation of the PRO, that incident should be dealt with by the security services. And I didn't see them so far. Maybe so what has happened to them?
Oh, Sabri and TRS to be.
It's very important because we are just coming from a similar scenario. And you don't expect this immediately. They be amika ye be before be pray. Sebi ebinumu ebi ebi dise mwa. Edu baby a ye di mwa akwa ye treatment ye di mwa treatment enemo. Ngobo a opa share security system said then they will try the law.
Okay.
So you make sure say all the mechanism will try the law, then you make sure you crash them with the law. The facts all the mechanism protocols enun chrehe. You must make sure it's well executed. People will always be stubborn, but the law must be more stricter and enforced, irrespective of who is involved.
But
so for me, I don't think that the explanation really comes. The point is that what no first of all, and yes, Sipo in the first place because of the free balance and baby ambo.
Apostles to my surprise, no security man be any.
Yeah, that's a question I'm asking. I mean, so nobody alerted. I mean, once again, the security detail. I mean, body. Why is it that the area where the thing was happening, there was no security officer to enforce? And answer or wada. And answer or tonko and answer or sre kwanso or junso. We should not joke with these things because you see, enche at twice other places will say, oh, I didn't acquire home, Brana asan kofasa hufraba. So please, security for making sure that they are detailing security properly at your venues. Now to the Black Stars. Every player or Black Stars should know that the biggest thing for them in their career as players is qualify for the World Cup 2026. They must understand that. We a player be a World Cup, once, twice, a big deal for CV as a player. We are saying we want the best players to be assembled. It's good for them. In terms of financially, it's good for them. Black Stars will get 2 million for training. Aside that, there'll be a lot of money that'll be given to them. Because the first one I know is a 10 million D.
Wow.
The platform will give some of them bigger and better opportunity in terms of movement to their other clubs, make good money and the rest. And being so is an opportunity to also show class the world. Show class, see what they have, the quality of what they have. This game is the most important game among the games Aka Ghana.
Okay.
Because you see, Sene, Yantimi and Shah, if it is a drawn game, it's not good for us. We need to make sure that Mali are bouncing back in a manner we might be shocked.
Okay.
And so, a must-win game. And when I dream and say play a say Madagascar match, no, a must-win game. Yeah, we need one say Sebio. You better relax a bit because of the point build up, and then we can now concentrate on playing Central African Republic away, and then the 2 games of Comoros and Mali at home, where we are comfortable with the confidence that's say to me we need. Yeah, what it takes to win anyway. Attitude of the players and approach of the technical team, and be define. I wish the team all the best.
Okay. Apostle also we share all the best on. Say what we share in quality be winning.
There's an
oh you be winning. Okay, Pacho, mama fan to any say we are baba ya brand na so pejuma ya adwuma ni biaba simple kwa wa Jimmy Herbal Center say or permanent na maba wa no ma ya adwuma what ase na wa twa mu kan yi pa bia beda salary be bia or be more bonuses come out na for show how far into no so go from pen for 0542725858 0542725858 na fe woni pen for eso etmedi nkomo ti na make catch us or den herbal bitters memedru nyabe no na bobo na bebo mo sisimo ye den password mo no betuma ye ne kama afei ya side edro ba kwa ba your friend preke powder da bedwa so nyabe no immune system booster be ma ho eso etuma ye den diabetes hepatitis hypertension stroke asthma ni nyina no uram ewo obo herbal and medical research center na afei wakwa kwadwo ya resa me pacho ene obo eni nkomo 0249 761508 0249 761508 homa betuma for obo herbal and medical research center kuma se yeche akwa wadwato adomanu udrakra be pacho wa kaso official tawdo hu yeche akwan enti ko obo na fe kono kwadwo ya resa yas toothpaste yas toothbrush inyasam keto akwa be pacho pe brush e betuma choose ye pa na ma osena pai fita yas brush na make am for the amount e ba the toothpaste na ye yas total care afi yas herbal care ni na ye di bia ba na fe whitening toothpaste ni na ye di bia ba ntimi pacho bo what is on sabe to maka di be be fe bia obi ase yas me pacho so product mu na say yas nkwadia e so wo top say yas product bia no ye papa e fit to trade na was several Ghana for good quality enya sam keto kranti yas ye damasipa juma wo bono anu den afi kunu Ghana limited sebra na me pacho dru kunu fa so ya honchu capsules wa wo dana do obadwo so so bo kwa wonantia obadwo so sa o wanyi ba bia nyonsa aboso na so yehye bobode se obetuma wuram na fe wakwa kwachi kunu fo wo modra ye fe honchu capsules na fe araba bazen bebwao na me pacho wadaroma oba ase so tomache na teche bia so tuma frase ho na ase ho ye de na ho achesa Mr. Kill eso ye memedro me pacho wa osisi yo ya be ma odru mpaso a premature ejaculation bo so wajemu ntem ni nyina no me pacho nya Mr. Kill na bebo pa kunu for na diaba we ye quality Chinese herbs I want just so so pe no do to a enen perform ni nkobo 0244 275 429 0244 275 429 homa obetuma fe kunu for na fe wono mo so etmedi nkomo kama ama bibia etmi akoye di amount anopay o mo boy pa na some petokra bo baba so dwuma mo bono ano denti me pacho me catch say oberum e wo bet we best saver me pacho bet we say wadaroma wo de wutwa bet na wo say bibi e ba be say bet match ba ko ba be say bet na no bomode say obetuma ye from na fe what save bet ne kama bet we give way more o me heavy pa na some petokra nti o madaroma o matayeti ye mfa course kakra na okay birthdays awodo so ha na ye nua ban for na Angela Nyama and na ye the birthday what I say run for the whole MCR and also always say Angela Nyama a happy birthday or say Angela nyankopon to nkwanem nyankopon emu ana afede wo ye bia no entimi tumpon enti Ranford eno and I always say Angela happy birthday Angela happy birthday nyankopon shraw what I say Philip bibi
yes, a very good friend of mine, Alex Ayiku, a final year student of TTU.
Okay.
And then in a birthday.
Okay.
That is the boy, Alex Ayiku. A very good panel and an analyst as well.
Okay.
Happy birthday to this young gentleman. Now, aside that, me call Ola Girls, level 300 students. Your friend, that is Selina Nyankum of Ola Girls, and then in a birthday. Selina Nyankum of Ola Girls and in the best
Selina
so happy birthday to Selina Nyankum.
Okay.
That's Selina Nyankum of Ola Girls. Level 300 students.
Okay.
And in the birthday. So happy birthday to Alex.
Now Oba and say still that so okay. So also
happy birthday.
Okay. Prince, you okay. But unkwana that was swami. Unkwana that. Unkwana that.
Yeah. I have no friend.
You be him. Mpacho Sompa 93.1 FM. Mpacho Wadaruma ye pe dan dia me wake baako an ho djupa ono dware no pe we din ba wodi kakra what ase ne ho djo what ase me pacho ye pe 2 single rooms and the amajan workers wadaroba ye pe baby to say swame ehwa adabraka meduma simple pacho uche me no pe wo me no pe a boye na yenya bi enfama ye workers yi free 0249 61 76 71 0249 61 76 71 0241 25 22 45 0241 25 22 45 eya homa obetuma fra yem pagans mbia what ase ye dey see adami atobo tuna ye san be hia bi ye konkran ni akokofa akan kase no enso aba Sompa 106.5 ewo nkran ana afro ba kumase aso a 93.1 ubenya kase no bi eso etimati uko tv no so dia na be bia be fa bia obi aso Sompa